Hi, I'm John. I have 7 years experience in the restoration industry. I'm here with Steve today. We're going to be ripping out all the asbestos in this house. The house is coming down. You still have to remove the asbestos.
Asbestos is a fiber that's shaped as a triangle.
See, this is the asbestos.
We can die from it, yeah. After our long exposure, you would take 15 years. Mild exposure would probably be 30 years before you develop lung cancer from it. Now, the best way to know if you have asbestos in your house is to phone a professional. Judging by the year of your house, you should phone someone to have testing done before you do any type of demolition, building new walls. The ceiling texture contains asbestos. Yeah, every room, every piece of drywall that's in this house will be coming down. The drywall has to be torn down, regardless if it has asbestos or not, before you can tear a house down. So they tested this one because of the age of it, and everything came back positive for asbestos. So that's why we have to set up the containment outside.
It's going to be hot. Just going to seal up the front door and then get into our suits and we're ready to go.
The first thing you do is go in and set up all your containment, seal the windows, put up a 3-stage containment that has a dirty room, a shower, and a clean room. Then the material comes out here to be into a pile. That's a negative air machine because the material that we're bringing from there out to here and our suits are contaminated. So we run a negative air machine so that the air quality in here stays the same. Then once the bags are brought in here, we have a big pile of them. They're transferred over into this room here, where they're washed. Each bag goes in and gets a wash from the shower. And once they're washed, they're dried off with paper towel and brought into this room here. Or this room here, they'll be placed in clean bags. Once there's an air quality sample machine, so we can judge the amount of asbestos that's in this room, because this is supposed to be clean and safe, so you can have your mask and all your gear off. And once they're bagged in the bags that have writing on the outside of them, they get transferred out here to the deck, where they'll remain until they're taken away. It's a lot of work, yeah. Setting up these things is a lot of work.
How many days of work is?
This was 1 day to set this up, complete, and tear out the carpet and the cabinets.
And to take out the asbestos, how long is it going to take?
Probably 3 to 4 days.
So the neighborhood is safe while we're doing this?
Yeah, the neighborhood's safe because we're running negative air, which has a charcoal filter in it to pull any of the particles out of the air. And all the windows and air holes and vents in the house are sealed, so no dust contaminants can get to any of the neighbors' houses. We're going to flood the unit, put garden hoses into the attic, and just let water run until the ceilings cave in. We use water when we do asbestos to keep the dust down. This job was challenging, just the sheer volume of the amount of drywall that had to be taken out. It was probably upwards of 200 to 250 bags. We needed 8 people to complete this. There's no drywall left anywhere in the house. It's being bagged and taken out right as we speak. The bags go into the super safe disposal bin and they'll pick it up and dispose of them for us. Once it's completely cleaned, we'll go in and spray sealer, asbestos sealer on all the studs so that it's safe for people to go in and walk around without respirators on.